Remove battery. Loosen bottom door screws. Pry up bottom door and remove it. In description of this video you can find useful links to various laptop disassembly tools and parts.